All right, so I'm not going to be able to finish it today because I can't get to the hardware store, it's closed, but I made a smaller version. And so it has a much tighter um, radius, if you will. And then I'll put, and I measured it more carefully to the rotor. And so with this tighter radius, with the magnets here, it should act very much like this guy. At least that's what I'm hoping. This guy's literally trapped in there. And so I had to increase the size a little bit because my magnets are bigger. I'm going to use, where are they? Oh, I don't know what I did with them, but I'm going to use magnets that are very similar to the ones that were in that, wait a minute, here they go. I'm going to use these guys, and I'm going to use 3 of them, 3 in each area here. So it'll be very much like that. And I left a little bit of plastic on the back so I wouldn't have to trap it from on both sides. I could probably just glue this in and it'll be okay. But again, with south facing out or north facing out, it doesn't really matter as long as everything is facing the same way. So the rotor has to have the south facing out as well as these guys. And then for this one, someone has suggested, I forgot who it was. Oh, I apologize. To put another magnet on the top here to kind of trap the rotor in there. So I'm going to try that. And this way I can get it in there and just sneak it around, I think. Anyway, just wanted to show you a quick update. I'm going to get to Ace Hardware tomorrow to get the brass or stainless steel screws. All right, cool.